Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to show you how you can hide, let's say, a moving object into a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So basically there are two ways which you can do. Also you can use, for example, like Gaussian blur, but in most of the cases it's not that I do suggest it because it takes like too much for the CPU to render the video after you want to, let's say, export the video. So what we can use in this case, it might be only a simple mask which is going to be looking like this, where let me do it like inverted. Maybe it's going to be a black one, or also we can use the other one, which we are going to take it from the video effects, going to stylize, and let's say it's going to be mosaic. So what we are going to do is that we take this effect by holding the left button on your mouse and dragging and dropping it to the video, and as we can see we have the mosaic effect over here. And also let's say we want to make like a smaller thing, so we can hide this kind of part in here and we can use it. And also in the rendering part, it's not going to, let's say, load the CPU too much. So basically let's show how we can do it by using a mask. So as we can see it in here, let's say that we wanted to hide this kind of part, where basically let's suppose that this kind of moving object is going to be, and we want to hide, let's say, the symbols or the letters. So we go to create, we take in here and we make the inverted one, so we can have a black, let's say, covering our letters. And now what we can do is that basically we have that the letters are a moving object in this case, and we want to cover that part. So what we can do is that basically we can create a mask path by clicking into a toggle animation, clicking over here, and now we let the video move on. Basically we can go by this frame by frames, and as soon as we are going to see that the name is going to appear in here, we select the mask and we hide it. Now we continue doing the same thing. We hide it. We continue. We hide this one. Now the letters are going to appear again. Now we hide the letters. Again. Of course, and until the end it's not going to show anything. So basically now we created the mask path, and now when we go to play out the video, we are going to see that this kind of mask is going to move along the letters which we wanted to be hidden. So basically, as you can see now, this is hiding and this is moving. So basically we are not able to see the letters. So basically this was creating a mask, but also the same thing, it could be done by adding the mosaic effect in here if we want. We just go to the mosaic effect, let's create a rectangular one, we put it in here, and also the same thing, we are going to create a mask, and let's say we follow, okay, we have it in here. Select the mask in here, move it again, in here, and in here. So basically this is going to be, and when we are going to play the video from the beginning, we are going to see that the mosaic is going to be moving out. So the same thing could be done, let's say, by using the Gaussian blur, but mostly I prefer using the mosaic because it's going to take too much space, and also the CPU is not going to be so much loaded, and it's going to be much more easier to export it. So thank you very much guys, this is today's video. I really do hope that it was helpful to you. Thank you, see you on the next video.